हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं पवन शर्मा एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल साइंस म्यूजियम। स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट चैप्टर of class 6 science, food, where does it come from? And today in this video we will discuss about the food variety and different food sources. So let us start. बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि एक मशीन को भी काम करने के लिए ऊर्जा यानी एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है। इन द सेम वे all living beings from smallest size to the biggest, they all need food to work and to required energy and for their development of body and growth. So the question is, from where do we get this food? And you know that we eat such a variety of food from morning to evening. So what are the different sources of these food items? So students, in this video we shall discuss about the different sources of food and their ingredients. So first of all, let us discuss the food variety that is occurred in our country. As you know that we live in India and India is very big country and the people of different region of our country eat different types of food and cook their food in different way. For example, people of northern region like dishes such as curry, chole bhature, whereas upma, dosa, vada and idli are the favorite food of the southern region. And in the same way, there is another example of food variety, that is dal makhani and naan. So on the observation of these pictures, you can understand that there is a large of food variety available in our country. And students, if you think about the substances required to make different food items, you will find that some substances are common for different dishes. The material that are needed to prepare any food item are called its ingredient, and we need 2 or more ingredients to prepare any food item. Different ingredients are needed for different food items. For example, to cook or prepare rice, we need raw rice and water. Thus, rice and water are the 2 ingredients for cooking rice. And there are some food items that need more ingredients to cook them. For example, if you have to prepare vegetable curry, then you will require vegetables, oil, ghee, spices, salts, etc. I hope now you are very clear about ingredients. So let's move forward to our next topic, that is food material and their sources. As I have told you that we need different ingredients to prepare different food items that we eat. So the question is, where do these ingredients come from? What are the major sources of these ingredients? So the major sources of various food ingredients are either plants or animals. So first of all, let us understand about the food items that we obtain from plants. We have seen that plants are one of the most important sources of our food ingredients. We get these ingredients from certain parts of different plants. Now let's take some examples of food item that we get from plants. Students, we get some food item from plants in the form of roots. For example, radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato, beetroot, these are the roots of their respective plant that we eat in the form of food. Students, we also get some food items from the stems of the plant. For example, ginger, potato, onion. These are the stems of their respective plant that we eat. And students, there are some leaves as well that we eat in the form of food. For example, spinach, lettuce and trigonella. Dear students, there are some flowers as well which are used as food item in different dishes. For example, cauliflower, pumpkin flower and broccoli. Fruits are the important food item that we get from plants. They have lots of vitamins, minerals that we need in our body for their maintenance, growth. Students, the different foods that we get from plants can be grouped as follows, like pulses, vegetables, cereals, oil and seeds. Cereals are edible grains obtained from cultivated grasses. The major cereals in India are rice, wheat, majhe, jowar, bajra, etc. And pulses. Pulses are the second two cereals that are found in our food. These are an important source of protein. The most common pulses grown in India are gram, pea, soybean, lentil, beans, green gram, etc. Vegetables and fruits are good source of minerals, vitamins and roughage. These are grown and eaten almost everywhere. And next is oil and seeds. Seeds of many plants are used to extract oil from them. Some most common oil seeds are mustard, sunflower, coconut, groundnut, cottonseed, soybean and til. Some other food item that we get from plants can be classified as tea or coffee, sugar and spices. Students, tea and coffee. These are obtained from leaves of tea and seeds of coffee plant. And sugar. Some plants are rich in sugar. For example, sugarcane and beetroot. These are the main sources of sugar. And spices. Spices are the main ingredient of spicy food. Spices are the part of plants used to add taste and flavor to raw or cooked food. Pepper, cloves, coriander, turmeric are some common spices. Spices used to flavor uncooked food are called condiments. On the basis of the above discussion, now you can understand that we get most of our food from plants. In other words, plants are the main source of food on the earth. So students, the second main source of our food item, that is animal. We get many of our food item from animals as well. So let's take a look of different food item that we get from animals. Here are some examples of animal foods. Milk and butter. We get milk from animals such as cow, buffalo, goat and sheep. Some of other milk products are curd, cheese, butter, ghee. These we get from animals. And egg. Egg is also a animal food item. We get egg from bird's hen, ducks, geese and turkey. Eggs are the rich source of protein. And next is fish and meat. Fish is the major part of food for people who live in coastal regions. We also eat meat of some animals like hen, duck, sheep, goat, etc. And other food item is honey. Honey is produced by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. They store this in beehives. Honey is the only food that does not rot. This is all for now. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel for more updates on such videos. Thank you and see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.